Hi, today I'd like to say thank you to those who've been watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed them. Uh, I'm sure like lots of people know how to say thank you in Chinese. We say it 谢谢,谢谢. So you see these two Chinese characters, they are identical. So literally it means thank. This is how we say thank you. When you see this pair of identical characters, usually we pronounce the first character correctly. So this one, 撇, is the fourth tone. And then the second character, we say it in a much softer tone. 谢谢,谢谢. Just like father, bàba, mother, māma. So this is how we say thank you, 谢谢. And if we want to say, in a more formal way, we can use 谢谢你,谢谢你. Literally, it means thank you. All right. So I hope you enjoy this video, and this is more like a more complicated character to learn how to write, but the more complicated it is, actually the more easier to write. If you don't understand what I mean, just try it out and you will know. So I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you like this character. 谢谢. Thank you very much.